guys. In this video, we will bring you this week's news from our automotive industry. And before we begin, do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on the interesting content coming your way. Starting this week's news roundup with Audi India. Audi India starts local manufacturing of the upcoming 2021 Q5 before its official launch. Audi India will be launching the facelifted Q5 in November next month. The brand had pulled the plug on the sales of the Q5 because of the BS6 norms. With the facelift, they plan on bringing a BS6 compliant 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine with a 7-speed DCT automatic gearbox. This is the same engine that is being offered with the ongoing Audi A6. Sadly though, Audi will disappoint the diesel SUV lovers as the Q5 will only be offered in a petrol variant. The Q5 will get a refreshed front and rear with new bumpers and new LED headlamps that look very similar to the RS5. The interiors will also get some new added features like the Audi's latest 10.1-inch MMI infotainment system and some connected car tech. The Mahindra XUV 700 sets a 24 hours endurance record, clocks more than 4,000 kilometers on their SUV proving tracks. The XUV 700 is going on to set records after records. Just days after reaching a milestone of receiving 50,000 bookings in just 3 hours, the XUV 700 has set a 24 hours endurance record. Mahindra took 4 of their XUV 700 on their SUV proving track in Chennai and clocked 4,384 kilometers in a time span of just 24 hours, maintaining an average speed between 170 to 180 kilometers an hour, only stopping for a refuel and a driver swap. This test proves the robustness of the engine and the build quality of the vehicle matching global standards of production. Kia India launches Sonet's first anniversary edition. To celebrate the Sonet's one complete successful year in the market, Kia has launched an anniversary edition of the Sonet. This anniversary edition starts at a price of Rs 10.79 lakh ex-showroom. The anniversary edition's rugged design is inspired by the Aurochs with subtle tangerine accents placed on the exteriors, giving it a distinctive look from the standard Sonet. On the front, the Sonet gets an exclusive tiger nose grille featuring hot stamped tangerine accents, offering a bold and butch appeal with the tangerine accents further laid out on the center wheel caps. The anniversary edition is available in 4 powertrain options: the 1-liter TGDI petrol engine with IMT and DCT transmission pairing, and the 1.5-liter CRDI diesel engine with manual and auto transmission. The anniversary edition will also be offered in 4 exterior colors: Aurora Black Pearl, Glacier White Pearl, Steel Silver, and Gravity Grey. Tata Punch gets a 5-star rating from the Global NCAP and becomes the safest car in India. Tata Motors has always been the brand with a strong and durable image of their products. But more than just the word-of-mouth tales of its strong and safe nature, Tata has gone to global safety levels to prove these tales. Tata Motors delivers a hat-trick of safest cars in India. First the Nexon, then the Altroz, and now the all-new Tata Punch becomes India's safest car. Tata Punch receives a 5-star safety rating of 16.453 from the Global NCAP, along with the highest adult occupant protection rating any vehicle has received in India. The Punch also gets a 4-star rating for child occupant protection. The Tata Punch comes with a lot of safety features like dual airbags, ABS, EBD corner control, and all-new brake sway control which detects any slide before emergency braking, avoiding the vehicle to sway, making sure that the car stops in a straight driving line. Euler Motors, a commercial EV startup based out in Delhi, is all set to begin operations this month. Euler Motor is an automotive tech startup manufacturing light electric commercial vehicles for intra-city transportation. Euler Motors has been working in Delhi NCR, where they have provided a widespread charging network across all the important commercial and industrial areas of the capital. Euler Motors has been providing logistical support to a lot of B2B and B2C companies like Big Basket and Flipkart. With their groundwork laid, they plan on launching their full-scale operations on 27th of October this month. That's all for this week's news roundup. If you like our content, do like this video and stay tuned for more automotive news coming your way. And if you do not want to miss out on our daily uploads, do click the bell button.